Hey everyone, welcome Turbo Talks YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the future of driving with an exclusive look at the all-new Kia Tasman 2025. This next-generation SUV is not just a car. It's a statement of style, innovation, and sustainability. With cutting-edge technology, a sleek design, and unparalleled performance, the Kia Tasman 2025 is set to redefine what we expect from modern vehicles. Stick around as we explore its impressive features, from advanced safety systems to eco-friendly powertrains, and find out why this might be the perfect ride for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest automotive trends. Let's get started. Kia released this photo of the Tasman covered in a colorful camouflage wrap, and it's the best look yet at this global model set to launch in certain markets in 2025. While the distracting design obscures many of the details, we can see the Tasman's overall crew cab shape and its interesting-looking headlights that appear similar to the units on the Telluride and EV9 SUVs. We can also see that it has all-terrain tires, suggesting it will be intended for off-roading to some degree. Kia reiterated that the Tasman will first launch in Korea, Australia, Africa, and the Middle East, and the wrap, designed by artist Richard Boyd Dunlop, who is from Australia and New Zealand, is meant to emphasize its Australian-inspired character. Its name, taken from the Australian island Tasmania, also fits this vibe. And that's a wrap on the Kia Tasman 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.